something. What do you want to make?
All right. How about some kale?
I wasn't thinking kale, but I could go for some kale. Although a lot of times kale's really chewy and hard to swallow. Can we spice it up a bit?
Absolutely. I have just the trick. My handy dandy roasting pan and a little salt, pepper, and olive oil.
So what do we call it?
Well, I have a really great idea. Crispy kale.
Kale, yeah, let's do it.
As I learned from my son, putting too much olive oil on one time, it actually is really good with a little bit more olive oil than my normal. It's just a little bit of a crust. It looks a little bit brown. Oh my goodness, with a little olive oil and vinegar on it, it's so tasty. Look at that. Oh, that's good.